Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, January 9th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we continue to have to study for our units of measurement retake. Remember, you can use the links for Cram and for Quizlet that are found on the Google Classroom page. In science, you need to bring earbuds tomorrow. We also have an energy quiz on Friday. And in honor science, your conclusions are due by Friday. Social studies, there is no homework as we started an assignment in class. In language arts, your memory box is due tomorrow. Remember, you need to have a paragraph for each of the 5 items in your box. Make sure you're following the guidelines and make sure that you bring your rubric tomorrow for Mrs. Murray to look at to use to grade. And in literature, we continue to read our in-class book, Freedom Walkers. And with that, there is no homework. Everyone have a great day. Stay warm and help your parents out by shoveling their driveway. That's it for today. We'll see ya.